Bros are puppy sitting on this episode of BoosCruize. Hey, bud. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Terrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
We are puppy sitting, like I said, and house sitting for our friends while they are away. And the thing about being on keto is they're actually vegetarian, so everything here is carbs. And the thing about being on keto is you literally always have to set yourself up for success. I did a video where I made pizza, so all of this stuff, literally, this entire bag, it's like huge, is all for like 2 or 3 days here. So we're just gonna be here a couple of days. I brought our keto buns because there's a grill here, so we're gonna be grilling. I brought some wisps. Coffee, you know how I am about my coffee, so I absolutely need, this is heavy cream, perfect keto. Guys, link down below in the description box with discounts. My keto base, my keto collagen, I would not be without it. Stevia, we need stevia. So some little treats, our Smart Baking Company. Also discounts down below. Guys, we're gonna be here for a couple of days. We need some treats, and that's gonna do it for those. Pork rinds, we're gonna be doing burgers on the grill, burger, steak, and chicken. So got some salt and vinegar pork rinds. These are really great. These are fine herb vinaigrette pork rinds, so good. Now chips need dip. This is if you remember, we got this Blue Moon. This is organic onion cheddar dip. This is delicious. It reminds me of, you know when you go to parties and you have that onion dip that's like traditional sour cream and the onion soup mix or whatever? It's like that, but only better. It's heightened, it's amazing, I'm obsessed with it, it's so good. We brought these little meat sticks. You saw we got these in the Costco haul. I've never tried these. I'm a little worried now because Erica from Time to Shrink is like, I hate them. And we have a lot of them, so hopefully these are good. This is just like our meat and cheese bag. I got some cheddar, I got some cheese sticks, got some salami, and then I got some of that American cheese. This is just gonna go on burgers, so we got that. Oh, yes. So just in case we get hungry and want a little snacky, I brought some elevation bars. These are 2 net carbs a piece, dirty keto from Aldi. Oh, everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. These are I just feel like, I'm not sure what seasonings they have, but for the burgers, like I need a seasoned burger. Now the other meat, I actually already seasoned ahead of time. This, on the grill, we will be making all at the same time. This is tequila lime chicken with a little bit of spice, so this is seasoned. These are steaks. I've already pre-seasoned them. There are herbs, spices, garlic, onion, a little bit of lemon juice, and there are our frozen burger patties. So that is what I brought with me to set myself and Jarrell up for success with keto for the next few days. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna go play with this puppy. Look who arrived.
All right.
Yes.
It took a while. I was in traffic with my Uber, but it's fine.
My God.
I'm here.
He's like, the puppy is so excited.
The puppy was very excited to see me.
Did you, Mr. Ray? I haven't
He's
seen him so
freshly
long.
groomed. I love it.
Yes, you do. Say my 2 dads. No, not my mouth. Ew. He loves my sweetie baby.
So cute.
Mwah. His name is Crosby. Say hi, Crosby. And he is
A Shih Tzu.
2 years old. He's a Shih
Shih
Tzu. Yeah, he's a Shih Tzu, which is a very unfortunate.
They've met him before, right?
Yeah, during
You guys have met him, yeah.
Yeah, during one of our Q&As.
Yes.
Our like how we met video and everything like that. But this is Crosby, and he's a baby angel, and I'm with him all the time, and I love him, and I wish that we had a puppy. And he's very, very good, and he just got groomed. That's why he's so, let me Lion King him. He's so fluffy.
He's so fluffy.
Say hello.
He's a
Oh,
sweet-
that was a. Did
He's
you
a
give him a
sweetie
kiss?
pie.
He likes. I literally hold him like a baby all the time, and that's how he's gotten used to being held by me. Isn't that ridiculous? Say hi.
Okay. I want to kiss you.
Oh my gosh! So I'm in my swimsuit. Jarrell is just arrived, so he's got to get in ready for his fun in the
Get into
sun.
my bathing suit.
Yeah, those are all the meats that are marinating
Nice.
and everything in the steaks and chicken. I have it all in the sink because they are vegetarian, so I keep all the meat contained. Well, I can't. The dad is not, but the rest of the family is. Oh, mwah!
I'm trying to see what they've changed since I was last here.
I know. I'm not going to give you guys a house tour because it's like not our house.
Right.
But I will show you the places that we're going to be the most. So we'll be in the guest room, but this is like the thing that we will mostly spend our time in the theater. So, guys, this is the theater, which we'll be watching TV in here most of the time. And this is my room when they're away. So we'll be here, across this metal setup, and this is the other place where we'll be spending most of the time. That is the pool and the jacuzzi. So, yeah. And Crosby, even though he has a cage beside my bed normally, he always sleeps in bed with us. And it's like the one time that Jarrell and I, did not sleep, like cuddled, because he was in the middle of us, because he's a big baby. Anyway. There you go. He thinks he's so big and bad. Run around the circle. He'll try to follow you. He'll get very upset. I know. Get him, Crosby. Get him. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I caught it. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped the camera. Get him. He's so bad. Watch. Crosby. Oh my goodness, no. He's like, I'm not leaving. He's like, I'm not leaving this. Give me that. You can't. Oh my gosh, he is so funny. What a good boy. Oh, you can't carry that with me. You can't carry that with me. Oh, he knows to come around this way. No. Oh, the good boy. Oh my gosh. He's such a good boy. So you guys know how Jarrell is with cold water. Even though this pool is heated, I'm ready to clean. Come on, and it's so hot out today. So
It's not so hot. But
it is definitely warm. Like my feet are burning while doing this. Well, on this thing. I always forget that a GoPro is waterproof, but it's still a little nerve-wracking to put it in the water. Hey, it's a pool day! Ow! You are so rude.
what am I supposed to?
Oh, let's put you under the thing. That's what I do when I go to kiss him. I go, Nana. Nana. Do you see how big a beaver is?
I was spraying our viewers so it can get in on.
Look, you're about to go under a waterfall. Here it comes. Unlike the last time I put you under a waterfall, which completely ruined the camera in yeah, that was the Sony Action Cam, which we got another one, but that was insane. No, it didn't ruin the camera, it ruined the waterproof. No, it was in a waterproof case. It ruined the waterproof case. But
well, the waterproof case was bumpkiss.
it was absolute buckus for sure. So yeah, I got my goggles on, and I can like see my eyebrows. Guys, those flippers didn't even fit my feet like at all. And
They look like a kid.
for...
I don't mind.
Guys, shout out to Netflix and Dead to Me. I love this show. Got a little Coke Zero, keto friendly in here. Ooh. Look at all these fun pool toys. You can dive for them. This one is like it lights up. That's just fun for the whole family, isn't it? So we were just playing this game where we put all the things on the bottom, and it's funny because Terrell just said he's having cruise PTSD. For anyone who has watched the Barbados, do you remember when we swam with the turtles or whatever, and he had like a small panic attack? It's interesting, when he puts goggles on and goes underwater, he feels claustrophobic, which is, I get that because you are enveloped, totally. That's also why when we were in that coral reef and I was like wanting to swim with all the, and he was like,
I don't do those things.
he wouldn't go under in the coral reef.
Just
But you can also, but you can lift your head up. You can lift your head up.
It was weird. I didn't like it.
But I mean, even in the pool.
In the pool, it's different in the pool. But even in the pool, like this and me being underwater just makes me feel like I'm just
Like even if you
enclosed and I get scared and freak out.
Even
I have
if
a
you
phobia.
see me?
People. I have a phobia.
Let's go down under. Maybe it's the dark goggles. Maybe the clear ones will make you feel less claustrophobic.
Is that dark? You can see. It's the overall sensation of it. It's not just.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. How was that? He's like, I hate it. Stop making me.
I don't hate it. It's fine. I would just rather not have the goggles on.
So you just rather go under, open your eyes, and find the
I
toy?
can't because I have my contact in.
Oh my
If I
God.
didn't have my contact in, I would.
Full of problems. Always an issue. Criminate.
Difficult.
Difficult people. Oh, this is so warm in there. Oh, let's do this. It is amazing. So it's an hour or so later, and now we have transferred over to the hot tub. What time is it?
It's 3:31.
3:31. So we transferred over to the hot tub. I like to go back and forth. Like I get hot in the hot tub, and so I'll like take what I call the polar plunge, and I'll jump over the side into the pool to cool myself down, and then I get back in and go back and forth. Jarrell does not like that. He's not about that life.
Well, when it's freezing cold. The last time we were here it was cold, and now it's warm, so I don't mind going back and forth. But I always heard that there was a superstition that if you did that, you could get pneumonia.
That is bupkis.
Like if you jump from hot to extreme cold.
You get...
It was. I know it was an old wise tale,
Right.
but it was what I was told.
Yeah, I think we were all told that. Like if you go from hot to cold, you're gonna get sick. But that's like, you get sick from viruses and germs, not from change in weather. But we've just been here. We're, you know, having some drinks. We're listening to our favorite.
We're trying something different. We're trying tequila and Coke Zero.
It wasn't by choice.
It wasn't by choice. He told me to bring the tequila when he should have said bring the vodka.
I meant to say bring the vodka, but I had tequila on the brain because I was making tequila chicken. But so we brought the tequila, and we don't have any mixers for tequila.
No.
So a Coke Zero and lime. So hey, when in doubt, you drink it out. Get ready. This little crush is fucking high, Bobby. I missed you too. No, you can't have any Coke Zero. Yes, yeah, well, he was just napping. His favorite thing is to nap either on the couches over out on the lanai or under the table. That's his like 2 spots. But now I think he's going to pee, so I will spare you that. But yeah, just hanging out. Gonna start some dinner, start the grill soon, and just enjoying everything. We are dry now. Just having a little keto snacky charcuterie. Look at this one. He's like, how dare you not share? Listen, this is not doggy food. You have doggy food. Oh, now he's there.
Oh, he's here.
Yeah. So just relaxing, enjoying this beautiful yard. Love this this whole vibe. Look at this. Oh, those kind of trees, they remind me of Tuscany. Just put everything on the grill. Yummy, yummy. So, we have burgers, some marinated tequila lime chicken, and some steaks. Obviously, you can see the chicken isn't touching the burgers, and I use separate tongs for that because you don't want to cross-contaminate. But, yeah. This is not for you, mister. Look who's over here trying to grill. So this is how it's looking so far. We got our tequila lime chicken. I haven't flipped our steaks yet. Those are very thick steaks. We got them from Costco, but the burgers are looking really good. Going to shuffle them around a little bit because these are getting more done than these, and then add some cheese. A thing of beauty. I defy you to tell me that these cheeseburgers do not look amazing. It may be Flame Broiled, but it ain't Burger King. Don't judge me.
I'm not judging.
See how he does me? And then look at this. Yes. Come on, chicken. Come on, steak. Come on, Jarrell. All right. We're done. This is going to be for the next couple of days. Obviously, we're not going to eat this for one meal. So we got 2 amazingly thick steak. We got our tequila lime chicken. And we got 8 hamburgers, even though we only brought 4 buns. But just in case we wanted, you know, some for a little lunch or something, just a snack on. I love that a burger patty is a snack on. So keto. Anyway, dinner's ready. Well, dinner's done, and now we are in the theater. This little one is always close to me, never far away. And same thing with this little one.
This little one. Okay, that's what you did there.
We're watching YouTube. Guys, do you guys watch YouTube like this TV? This is Grace from Beyond the Trailer because we're big movie nerds, so we literally watch her and she does reviews and talks about movie biz and things like that. So, yeah. When we decide to watch a movie, we'll close those doors and we will dim these lights and it's gonna be magic.
Hey, Boos. We're back.
Yeah, we are. Wait, film me.
It's another day. I'm filming.
But you're filming me. You're
I'm
talking.
filming you, but I'm narrating this journey.
Oh, okay.
So it's another day, and David is here swimming in the pool. I'm in the jacuzzi. And, yeah, what have we done today? You had an audition.
I had an audition. But, yeah, so I had to go home and change, and then had an audition, which is a blessing in a pandemic. But, yeah. So that was like most of the day. We woke up, we had coffee, we've been playing with the puppy mostly. Last night after we left you, we just watched TV and then went to bed and like watched TV in the theater and then went to bed.
Yeah, we watched TV. I took a long nap. Yeah, I went to sleep.
All right, it's Friday. We are home sweet home. Jarrell is unpacking stuff already. Just walked in. It's good to be home. Thank you guys for spending so much time with us. Also, I came home to this. This is the Keto box. There's going to be an unboxing of this. Love that. And lots more to come. Chicken and dumplings. I know I keep saying that. I'm going to do that. Like, maybe tomorrow. Anyway, love you guys. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment down below. We love hearing from you. And we'll talk to you again soon.